Hi, this is Alex from Adult Services, and welcome to Get Organized with Google Calendar. In this tutorial, you will learn how to organize some daily events and activities by using Google Calendar. So the first thing to do is you're going to have to log into your Google account first. You type google.com on your web browser. Click on Sign In. A window will pop up. Type in your email address. If you don't have one, you can actually create a free account. If you go to our Fox Lake Library website and you click on Adult and then Tutorials, there's actually a tutorial on how setting up email account, the basics. You can click on that and it'll explain how you set up your account if you've not done one. If you have your Gmail account, you type in the email address, type in your password, and then Next. In your email account, you're going to look for the Google Calendar app. So on the right-hand corner, there's a little icon. You tap on that once, and then click on the Calendar tab. And once you do that, then you'll open up Google Calendar. So what do we have at the opening screen? We have the right and left arrows that allow you to progress from one month to the next. You have it in week mode, that's what it's defaulted to, or it could be in month. So you can click week mode, which is what it looks like here, or you can go month view. You have the days of the week across the top, it's Sunday the 20th to Saturday the 26th. You have the times across the left-hand side. You have boxes to add appointments. You also have your names of your calendars. So by default, my default calendar is called Alex Sveck. It created that from my email account that I set up, but you can always rename your calendars at a later time if you'd like. Just click on the calendar, go to settings, and then rename it. But for now, we'll just leave it as our default name that we used for creating our email account. So let's add our first event. Go to dentist on Wednesday, September 30th at 5 p.m. We're going to select week of September 27th through October 3rd. So you'll click on the right arrow to get to the week of 27th to 3rd. If you're in month mode, just select week mode. Select the box for day and time. So we're going to say September 30th at 5 p.m. So you click on that box. It'll bring up a new window. You'll type in dentist appointment. You'll verify the date, Wednesday, September 30th, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. You'll type in the location, Fox Lake Dental Care. You can also leave it blank if you'd like. And you change the color if you want, or leave it blue. I'm going to leave it blue. You can type in a description. So I'll say my 6-month dental appointment is today. And then click Save. And you'll see the end result. So on the 30th at 5 p.m., you have a dentist appointment. Let's say we want to edit the event. You can click on this little edit pencil right here. We can change the notification. So instead of minutes, I'm going to change this to days. So I'll click on the little box here to go to days. And then I just delete the number here and just type 1, or I could use the up and down arrows to get 1 in there. And then click Save. So now dentist appointment is going to be notifying me 1 day before. If you want to delete the event, you click on the trash can, but we won't do that now so it doesn't disappear. If you accidentally click delete, there's an undo that appears right away, but only delete this if you don't want the event. Email event, if you click on that, it'll allow you to email the event to somebody or yourself. If you click on this little dots right here, that's for printing. Click on X, it'll close the window. So in addition, let's see a couple more examples. So let's say we just want to create an event without actually clicking on the calendar. You can actually click on Create, which is on the left-hand side. It'll open up a default window where you can type in a title, give a day and time, and change different settings. you'll actually see it just says no title. So let's say we needed band practice. We're going to band practice Thursday, September 24th from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. So you're going to change the title, start time, end time, change the color, and then click save when you're done. We're going to actually do monthly on the fourth Thursday, so we just click on this drop-down menu and then click save. Let's say we wanted to edit the event. You can click on the event, click on that little edit tool. Let's say we were going to make it weekly on Thursday. So then you select this to be weekly on Thursday, this drop-down menu, and then edit recurring event appears. This in following events or all events. I just say this, which is today's date that you set it on, and then all events, and click OK. So you can now see that 7 p.m. is now the band practice for all the days, only on Thursdays. Let's say you wanted to block out your vacation time. Create a new event, type in vacation, select all day, select your start day, end day, and then save. And then you can see how it appears on the calendar. Let's say we want to do a reminder to pay the electric bill. You click on reminder instead of event, give it a title, pay electric bill, and then just say September 28th is the first day, and monthly on the fourth Monday. That's what I actually want to select. And then all day, and then click save. So it's saying every monthly on the fourth Monday, starting with September 28th, I'll have to pay my electric bill. And you can see how that actually appears on the calendar. And just make sure you click save. You can share the calendar, settings and sharing. You click on that right next to your calendar. And then where it says share with a specific person, you just type their email address and click send. So they'll be able to see that calendar. You can even create your own calendars. So where it says add calendar in your settings, you click on create new calendar and just call it, let's say, work calendar or vacation calendar, whatever you'd like, and then click create calendar. So you can see I created a couple calendars. I created a monthly bill, a vacation calendar, and a work calendar. So you can actually assign then your specific events to particular calendars. So December vacation, I'm going to assign it to a vacation calendar. So you click on the calendar and then click on vacation calendar and then save. You can turn on and off reminders and vacation calendar are the only things that are turned on right now. But I turned off, let's say, Alex Speck, the birthday calendar, the monthly bill calendar, and all the other ones. So depending on what you wanted to print and look at, you can click on the check marks. There's only a couple things that you can do with Google Calendar in this tutorial, but there's additional help. You can definitely check out the help icon. So you click on the help icon, and you can type in what you're looking for. You click from browsing the different articles, and it'll give you even more things to explore with Google Calendar. So thank you for coming to today's tutorial. Before we leave, though, I do want to show you some examples based on what is in Google Calendar. So let's review. Let's do some practice. Open up your web browser. I opened up my calendar. So we're going to click on the app icon. And then calendar. Okay, so let's say we want to do September 30th. I wanted to add something, so now we go 5 p.m. Click on September 30th. Add a title. So, dentist appointment. And then 5 o'clock, we can change it to 5 o'clock, or we could do 6 o'clock. You can always change the times, but we'll leave it at 5 o'clock. Add description. Monthly dentist appointment. Change the color. And you can change the notifications. You could do by minutes. So click Save. Let's say I wanted to edit. I can click on it, Edit Event, Notification, Days. We can change it to backspace 1 day before, and click Save. So we got that. Let's say we wanted to add a new event. You click on Create, and we can do vacation. And let's say it was in December. So December 1 is my start day, all day, and we end on, let's say, December 19th. Click Save. Okay, you won't see it in the week mode, but if I go to the month view, you'll see the vacation. And let's try one more. So we have, let's say we're going to do band practice starting on the 24th. So create, we got band practice. And then we have all day, or we don't have to have that. We'd say it starts at, let's say, 7 o'clock and goes to 9 o'clock. Instead of does not repeat, we're going to say it's so let's say we wanted to get the 24th. So we're going to do the 24th. So we select that 24th, 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock. Monthly on the 4th Thursday. And then click Save. So now you can see it'll actually be on the 4th Thursday monthly. Let's say we wanted to make it, edit it every Thursday. So then you select Edit, and then we do weekly on Thursday and click Save. So now this and following events, click OK. And now you can see that it actually appears on all the Thursdays. So these are just a couple examples that you can explore with Google Calendar. And thank you for coming to today's computer tutorial for Get Organized with Google Calendar. Stay tuned for additional social media events on Facebook, on YouTube, and any updates on our website for additional tutorials, videos, and online programs. And have a great day.